Manchester United could hijack Ronaldo and City deal. Kylian Mbappe signs for Real Madrid and Robert Lewandowski will replace Kylian Mbappe at PSG. But to know the full story, you need to watch the entire video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's talk about the first blow of the day, and it is about Cristiano Ronaldo. Reports claim that Cristiano Ronaldo had his farewell at the Juventus training center, and according to several verified reports and Fabrizio Romano, Cristiano is set to join Manchester City this summer only. But there could be a big blow as Manchester United could potentially hijack that deal. Journalist Santi Aona initially revealed that Cristiano Ronaldo had offered himself to Manchester United also. This rumor caught fire when former United player and legend Rio Ferdinand posted this picture on his Twitter account. Accusations are being made that this post is related to Ronaldo saga. So, it's a late bid from United to sign Cristiano, but if this is real and Manchester are really in race to sign Cristiano Ronaldo, then Cristiano will surely join Manchester United as he will never let the United fans down. But this must be considered that Manchester City are the favourite to sign Cristiano Ronaldo till now. Moving on to the second update of the day, and it is about Kylian Mbappe. PSG rejected a bid of 160 million from Real Madrid to sign Kylian Mbappe. Earlier, the Parisian club wanted at least 220 million euros for the star striker. But now, several reports claim that PSG had accepted what seems to be the last bid from Real Madrid of around 180 million euros to sign Kylian Mbappe. And the announcement of the deal could take place within few hours. Also, it is expected that Kylian Mbappe will be presented in Real Madrid before he joins to the French national team. So, it seems it is a very bold move from Florentina Paris and Real Madrid, as they could sign Kylian Mbappe next summer for absolutely nothing. But several reports claim that Kylian Mbappe was in desire to make some money out of him for PSG. That's why Real Madrid pushed this season only. So it seems Kylian Mbappe got the club which he was dreaming since his childhood. Now let's talk about the last and the final update of the day, and it is about Robert Lewandowski. According to several reports, PSG sold Kylian Mbappe to Real Madrid, so now they would be pushing really hard to sign Robert Lewandowski this summer only, as they want to complete their deadly front line in the form of Robert Lewandowski, Neymar Jr. and Lionel Messi. Reports even claim that the representatives of Robert Lewandowski are already at Paris for making the move possible this summer. So it seems that Robert Lewandowski will sign for Paris Saint-Germain this summer only, as PSG will get around 180 million euros from Real Madrid after selling Kylian Mbappe. So they could easily afford a striker who worth around 90 to 95 million euros and is no doubt currently the best number 9. So guys, now it's your turn. Comment below, will Manchester United really go for Cristiano Ronaldo? Will them should they go for